So going everywhere. Doing a few more tests today. This time trying a new software, OBS Studio. Has different audio sounds. I'm using the headsets as you see. Also it's activated the microphone from the camera. It's a logitech C920. And the third audio device, I'm going to show it to you, is my mixer, behringer, so xenix Q802 USB. I got plugged to my PC through USB in my, the acoustic guitar, Ibanez acoustic electric. So I'm gonna try to record, talking, recording some sound. See if I can capture the voice through the microphone, the headset, and some guitar through the, behringer mixer. So I'm gonna play a little bit through the guitar. See how that sounds, okay? Okay, just a test, like I say.